Okay, we've had some great donors to our Chinese auction. You have Go Power, Slinky Stove really surprised me. They sent us 3 stoves. Rec Pro, Ramblin' Man. I'm not sure who donated that. That was Lippert. Family donated that. Lippert, Bauer Products, RV Life, another family. Not sure about that. Beach Lane donated multiple products. Gonex, another family. We have Techno RV. There's a third from Slinky Stove. Oshkang, Becky loves that charger. And a gift certificate for Colono Ridge, donated by couldn't tell you. That is hard to get. Big Beard Battery, buy one, get one free. Another Tolono Ridge. 3 nights camping at our rally next year for 3 nights plus the registration fee. Lurch RV, that's where we bought our camper. Gas Stop. Hughes Transformer. Able Supply. Pop Step, he actually reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to try one also, and he donated one to our auction. And a table by family. There's another Lurch RV. Rec Pro donated multiple items, and so did Bauer. Alliance was donated by family. There was a sign there. And then Tank Rangers donated a Gloria keg, 7-liter. And Micro Air, Halo View, the BT7 TPMS. And Dan donated a cutting board. It is beautiful. It has the Alliance Delta on it. And then hidden holder. These are pretty neat. That's for your toilet paper that would go inside of a cabinet. Rec Pro, again, donated a lock. Airlock donated 2 of their units. And I can't remember who donated these. I believe it was the guy that was doing the wash all at the National Rally. And B&F Sales donated 15 American flags. Yeah, I think this year we did pretty good on the donations. Maybe next year we can pick it up a pace and get some more items. We're also selling extra tickets for the Chinese auction, and the money we take in is going to go to Family Cares. So we're trying to do something good for the community too.